Boat Regatta 2013. Hey guys, go! Oh yeah.
We'll make it.
Lane 4, what is that, a flag? Is that a flag? Who's your flag? Come on, get in here. So lane 2 to lane 1 got the biggest boat, but it ain't going nowhere. That's okay. Hey, they're trying.
Keep paddling, Vincent.
Lane 2
Keep
smooth
paddling.
sailing. Lane 3 gotta go forward. Lane
Paddle, paddle!
I'm sorry. For the sake of this, we'll just go 1, 2, 3. Lane 3.
Our fears are realized.
Turn around. The other way. That's okay. Lane 2 and 3. Lane 1 throw something. They're trying to make it lighter. They're not going anywhere still. But it's okay. They're trying to get rid of. Trying to lighten up the boat, get it to move a little faster. Lane 2 is just coasting. What is this? Booty. They're getting here. Lane 1 and Lane 3 are in a tie for who can stay in the same spot the longest. Duty, I'm sorry, duty. Yeah, this
Jacob.
Duty.
Paddle. Keep paddling.
This looks like pooty. Sorry.
Duty.
Duty.
There you go.
In lane 2,
Jacob,
when's it?
keep paddling. All right, Vincent, other way.
All right,
Vincent,
here we
other
go.
way.
Lane 1,
Vincent.
lane 3.
Other way, yeah. Pull it back. Pull it back. There you go. Pull it back.
Give you guys an A for effort. Okay. Need more music. This is
There you go. There you go. There you go.
There you go. It's okay.
Yeah!
All right.
There you go. Yeah, just like that.
There we go. Got the buoyant bazookas and the song badgers.
Good, Jake. Good, Jake. You guys do that.
We're fighting,
Jacob, keep
literally
doing that.
fighting to get to the other side. This is a task. Lane 1, the bazooka is making them do all the work. What happened to your paddle? Where'd that paddle go? You threw it overboard, trying to lighten it up some more. Oh, don't fall over. Come on, Badgers. Why are we rooting for you? We're rooting for you. You can catch up. Anybody, it's anybody's race, literally, right here. Anyone can win. Oh. Okay. Other way, put it in reverse. Lane 1 still is, they're almost here. It's okay. It's okay, it's the effort that counts. All right. Both are facing the opposite way, but it's okay. We are here for it's a nice day. And just waiting on these cardboards to get to the other side. Woo, they got here. They got here, the buoyant berserkers. Man. Now for the Badgers.
Go, go, go!
Come on, Badgers. Come on, Badgers. There you go. There you go. Just pedal the opposite way in which way you want to go. Yep, no. Don't go towards the... There you go. There you go. Straighten it out. Okay. The important part is we're closer than where we started from. That's what counts. Okay. I can actually see the effort now. I can see him. There you go. Okay. is stuck. Come on, guys, you can do it. We're almost there. Almost there. Come on, it's a nice boat. I can
They turned the line, huh?
Six badgers on here. Sea badgers. Okay, now I see the name. Almost there. Come on, come on. Keep coming. Keep coming. Almost. Almost. There we go. Sea badgers. They won the most smart award. And I'm sure that looked a lot easier than it was before they got in there.
Are you guys tired?
Good job, Sea Badgers.
Good job.
That was heavier.
Yeah, nice job.